inside comes Vader, and around the outside, Hakim Danish. Absolutely superb from the Malaysian. Absolutely brilliant. Vader Patama will pick up a slipstream, but it isn't that easy to pass on the run to the line here. It's the 13 of
Who's
Hakim
it gonna
Danish.
be? Who is
Surely
it?
it's going to be, and Vader Patama pulls out. Is he going to pass him? Oh, it's a photo finish. A photo finish.
Who will it be? Was it
Patama
Indonesia?
Danish. And he just pulls alongside, and it looks.
Oh, wow. Yeah, there you go.
But only just on the line, eh?
Oh, brilliant. Look.